Hey everybody, Tim here doing an unboxing of 2 packages. This will be the first one. I'll be doing 2 separate videos. And I will do individual reviews of these too later on. Let me see if I can get this open. Give me a second. Hold on. Here we go. Alright, what's in here? Okay, we have a transformer in here. I know that. To put him back in car mode. He's not in car mode right now at this time. See if I can get him back into car mode. Okay, there it goes. I have to push this down to get back into car mode. Okay, there we go. It's a little tiny transformer. And then we have Thunder Girl from Action League now. And that's it for this package. I'm going to go on to the second one.